Hello, welcome back. Now, deliberately, we had stopped organic in the end so that we can have continuation with organic 12th standard. So, organic 12th standard, halogen derivatives of alkanes or arenes. For the basics of that, you require hydrocarbons, that is alkenes, alkynes, aromatic compounds. So let us begin from where we had stopped, that is the alkenes, the reactions of alkenes. In the reactions of alkenes, today's reaction is hydroxylation. In our CBSE book, NCERT, they are called oxidation. But first reaction will be hydroxylation and second I will take as oxidation. I will separate it out. Because there are two major reactions. One reaction is going to lead to glycols. Glycols म्हणजे दोन OH असतात. एकच OH असेल, only one OH if it is there, it is a alcohol. Aliphatic open chain alcohol. If two OH are there, it is called as a glycol. 3 OH atoms are there, it is called a glycerol. 4 OH or more sorbitols. Like this, first we will discuss the hydroxylation reaction. Many a times this hydroxylation is taken under oxidation, पण इथं दोन विभिन्न reactions थोडे मिळतात conditions आपण change केलं तर, isn't it? So first we will discuss the first reaction which we are going to discuss, that is with alkaline KMnO4, with alkaline KMnO4, that is potassium permanganate. So potassium permanganate with alkaline KMnO4, potassium permanganate or manganate. So here the reaction I will show you. First I will start with the ethylene or ethene. Ethylene is common name. Do you know common name? Ethylene. And IUPAC name of this compound is ethene. Now we are taking the aqueous medium HOH and one nascent oxygen. तर हा nascent oxygen कुठून येतो? That comes from this, which is a oxidizing agent. KMnO4, K2Cr2O7, these are all very celebrated, famous oxidizing agents. The activity of that oxidizing agent, how those are prepared, what is their reactivity, this is going to come in D and F block elements. There we are studying separately KMnO4, K2Cr2O7. Now here, this you could understand, this oxygen, alas kutun, it comes from KMnO4, which is potassium permanganate alkaline KMnO4. Alkaline means some basic solution is 2 to 3 drops of alkali, KOH, NaOH. If you put it in potassium permanganate, it is called as a basic solution or alkaline solution. Now here, what happens? Here see, OH, one OH is there, another OH. These OH will go and attack here. This pi bond will be broken and here one OH, here OH. It is called as a, if two OH functional groups are there, then it is not just a alcohol, but it is a dihydric alcohol. Dihydric means two OH groups are there. जसं की डायहॅलाइड असतो, विसिनल डायहॅलाइड आणि जेमिनल डायहॅलाइड, दोन हॅलोजन ॲटम्स असतील तर जसं बोलताय ना, तसं हे डायऑल CH2OH, दिस इज आधी इथिलीन होता. कॉमन नेम कसं लिहायचं? इथिलीन का ग्लायकॉल, इथाइलिन glycol is common name. The IUPAC name is 1 को भी OH है और 2 को भी OH. इथेन, इथेनचा ई काढून इथॅनॉल लिहित होता की नाही, ई काढून ऑल लिहित होता का, ई आणि ओ ओल्स, AEIOU. म्हणून आता काय डायऑल असल्यामुळं इथेनचा ई काढायची गरज नाही. तर इथेन 1 ला OH, इथेन 1,2 डायऑल, इथेन 1,2 डायऑल. So this is how we do hydroxylation. This is actually hydroxylation. Pure oxidation reaction हा वेगळा आहे. ज्यावेळी instead of taking alkaline KMnO4, I take acidic KMnO4, pure oxidation will take place. Pure oxidation. ठीक आहे. आता दुसरं एक एक्झाम्पल ह्याच्यामध्ये सेम पॅटर्न मध्ये, in the same pattern we'll have different example. What is that different example? CH3CH double bond CH2 plus hydroxylation, hydroxylation, HOH plus nascent oxygen, आलास कुठून, nascent oxygen असं झालंच हवेतून, हवेतून येणार असेल तर O2 पाहिजे ना. It is not O2, it is O. It comes from oxidizing agent, that is KMnO4, alkaline KMnO4, KMnO4, alkaline KMnO4. So then again OH, this O and H, this will come, attack this. Why you are attacking here and not here? This is double bonded, weak, 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 and functional group is the site of reactivity. You should understand. And then OH here, OH here. CH3, CH, OH, CH2, OH. है ना? This is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Propane. Propane. Or we can say common name here, propylene is there. Propylene is the common name. Or propylene ka glycol. Propylene glycol. So this is propylene glycol. Very good. Propylene glycol. Propylene. What is the IUPAC name? The IUPAC name of this compound is प्रोपेनचा ई काढायचा नाही. प्रोपेन 1,2 डायऑल, प्रोपेन 1,2 डायऑल, प्रोपेन 1,2 डायऑल. So this is with alkaline KMnO4. This is with alkaline KMnO4. ठीक है. Is it okay na? All right. So this reaction, these reactions, hydroxylation, and that is with alkaline KMnO4, is also known as Bayer's test. For what it is? कशासाठी टेस्ट करताय तुम्ही ते? It is the test for unsaturation. Means presence of carbon-carbon double bond. Presence of carbon-carbon double bond ओळखण्यासाठी we are going for the unsaturation. Test for unsaturation. When you add this KMnO4 and this alkaline KMnO4, त्यामधलं वॉटर प्लस ऑक्सिडायझिंग एजंट, त्या अल्कलाइन मधलं ॲक्वस अल्कलाइन मधून वॉटर ऑक्सिजन असा ऍड होतो ना, तर पर्पल कलर ऑफ KMnO4 डिसअपियर्स इन दिस रिॲक्शन. टेस्ट म्हणजे काय असतं? कलर चेंज असतो किंवा इफरवसन्स मीन्स रिलीज ऑफ what you can say, gas will be there. So here color test is there. This is a color test. The purple color of KMnO4 disappears. The purple color of KMnO4 disappears. This shows the presence of carbon-carbon double bond. मग कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड आहे की नाही हे लक्षात येतं. त्याला म्हणायचं अनसॅच्युरेशन. त्याला काय म्हणायचं? अनसॅच्युरेशन. अनसॅच्युरेशन मीन्स डबल और ट्रिपल बॉन्डची प्रेझन्स दाखवणे. So color of KMnO4 disappears. Did you get this? Yes. Now next question. If suppose, किती गंमत होते बघा, instead of taking KMnO4 alkaline, if you take acidified or acidic solution of acidified KMnO4, potassium permanganate or पोटेशियम डाइक्रोमेट विल, वो भी चलेगा, पोटेशियम डाइक्रोमेट भी चलेगा. सो पोटेशियम डाइक्रोमेट K2 Cr2O7, ये भी चलेगा. If you take this and if you write this CH3, here you are going to write, I think CH3 twice, या कुछ ऐसे लिखे इसको, CH3C, CH3 डबल बॉन्ड CH2, है ना, और कैन ऑल्सो बी रिटन एज CH3 दोन वेळा, हे बघ CH3 दोन वेळा C डबल बॉन्ड CH2, है ना. तर इथे 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 you are writing HOH, no, direct oxidation करून घ्यायचे, डायरेक्ट ऑक्सिडेशन. डोंट यूज वॉटर हियर, अल्कलाइन नाही आहे, ऍसिडिफाईड, 2-3 ड्रॉप ऍसिडचे टाकले, रिएक्शन बिल्कुल शिफ्ट होतो अँड यू गेट नेसंट ऑक्सिजन हियर, नेसंट ऑक्सिजन. आलास कुठून विचारायचं, हे किंवा हे लिहायचे हे, होय ना. मग इथं काय होतं, CH3C, CH3 हा डबल बॉन्ड हो ना, इथं OH, O, and CO2 is released, excess of oxygen घेऊन, H2O, हे बघा CH3 C, CH3 double bond O plus CO2 plus H2O, है ना. then you balance the reaction. total तुम्ही हे नेसंट ऑक्सिजन, 4 नेसंट ऑक्सिजन लिहू शकता, 4 नेसंट ऑक्सिजन, 4 नेसंट. in the same way, what is the name of this compound? What is the name of this? 1, 2, 3. 2-methyl, बघा 2 ला मिथाइल, प्रोपीन आहे, प्रोपीन. नंबरिंग इकडून कशाला केलं, डबल बॉन्ड जिथं आहे तिकडून नंबरिंग 1, 2, 3. 2-methyl प्रोप 1 इन म्हणा किंवा जस्ट प्रोपीन, 2-methyl propene. 2-methyl propene. Did you get this 2-methyl propene? All right. In the same way, the next reaction shown by, which is given in CBSE book, CH3CH double bond CH CH3, है ना. Here we write KMNO4 or K2Cr2O7, but acidified you take, acidic solution you take. अल्कलाइन घेतला तर ग्लायकॉल्स मिळतील आणि acidified घेतला तर KMNO4 मिळेल. KMNO4 ऍसिडिक घेतला, ऍसिडिफाईड KMNO4, ऍसिडिक KMNO4 और ऍसिडिफाईड KMNO4, तर डायरेक्ट ऑक्सिडेशन, 4 नेसंट ऑक्सिजन घ्या. पण इथं अडचण काय बघा, CH3CH डबल बॉन्ड CH CH3 हे सिमेट्रिकल आहे. सिमेट्रिकल असण्या नसण्यामध्ये काय नाही, बट द प्रोडक्ट इज डिफरंट. द प्रोडक्ट यू विल गेट इज व्हॉट, ऍसिड मिळतो, CH3COOH, CH3COOH आणि H2O बाहेर. बघा, you will get twice CH3C double bond OH. You will get acetic acid molecule. You will get acetic acid molecule. So acetic acid, acetic acid. Common name. IUPAC name is ethanoic acid. IUPAC name is ethanoic acid. IUPAC name is ethanoic acid. Did you understand this? This is acetic acid, ethanoic acid. Any problems? Any dukes? Okay. This is but-2-ene. This is but-2-ene alkene. But-2-ene alkene. Okay. Now next one. Did you understand this? From this one homework I will do. Very important homework. You have to search and search and search, find it out. Here you get ketones. Here you get acid. What is the factor that decides whether ketone or acid is formed? The name of this compound is dimethyl. See, dimethyl ketone. Dimethyl ketone. किंवा ह्याला आपण ऍसिटोन ही म्हणतो, ऍसिटोन. कॉमन नेम इज ऍसिटोन, है ना. कॉमन नेम इज डायमिथाइल कीटोन और ऍसिटोन, दोन्ही कॉमन नेम आहेत. व्हॉट इज द IUPAC नेम ऑफ दिस कंपाउंड? व्हॉट इज द IUPAC नेम ऑफ दिस? 1, 2, 3 प्रोपेनचा ई काढायचा ONE, प्रोपॅनोन, प्रोपॅनोन कीटोन. So this is acetone. This is acetone. Did you understand this reaction? Yes. This is a hydroxylation. Hydroxylation केलं glycol, oxidation केलं ketone or carboxylic acids. Very important reaction. Very nice. है ना? Now the next reaction is a very interesting reaction. Next reaction is going to be interesting that we are discussing because that reaction is going to lead to some new compound or new lesson altogether, polymers. Polymerization and another is hydroboration oxidation. असे महत्त्वाचे दोन रिॲक्शन ज्याच्यावरती कॉम्पिटिटिव्ह कॉर्नर मी टाकणार आहे. सो देअरफॉर प्लीज कीप वॉचिंग and please do the homework. What is the homework? What decides whether ketone is formed or carboxylic acid is formed? You have to answer it till tomorrow, and then we shall switch on slowly to halogen derivatives. That is a 12th standard lesson. But these are the questions, these are the reactions. लेकिन के ये जो reactions है ना वो सब repeat हो जाएंगे उधर. Are you getting this? Very nice. Keep watching. Thank you very much.